Salam salam, this is Unity and I'm here to do a earring of the week. Alright y'all, I've been crazy busy as always, so I want to show y'all some of the new designs that I created. Some of these one-of-a-kind pieces have sold. Let me show y'all these first. They are so dope, right? They are so dope. So this is a one-of-a-piece kind, and I'm contemplating or figuring out if I'm gonna remake it. But yeah, so this is one. The next pair are these right here. This is a one-of-a-kind pair. It says stop, and then it got the red, yellow, and green. And you know what? I never knew that the traffic lights was in the same positions as the roster colors. I never knew that. It kind of reminded me of the Sankofa, the heart version, how they have it on gates and stuff. So it's interesting how a lot of culture things, like Afrocentric things, is incorporated in America, and we don't even know that that's a part of our culture as a people. Yeah. So this is a pair, and these are going to be listed on K.Noir Designs. When y'all see this video, y'all should it should already be listed on there. Okay, this is another pair. A righteous woman. What does it say? A respectful woman is a righteous woman. And then this is Hijab Goddess. I have the stencil for this. So you could go to K.Noir Design and buy this stencil, and you can create different, you can create her in your own little way. Alright. Let me show y'all these right here. Okay, I'll put them right there. Okay, these right here are on K.Noir Designs. Y'all see how they glycerin. Yeah, these are one-of-a-kind pair too. Y'all see that? Very lightweight. Alright. Now these are so cute. My sister, she really liked these. And these beads I got from, if y'all see my last video I put up, I got a package from BB Crafts. So these, the beads right here that's used, and the cowrie shell that's used. And these cowrie shells are so fly. Because for years, I've always painted my cowrie shells. And I still do paint my cowrie shells. That's something I always do. And they had to use a machine on this because it's like a enamel. Yeah. So whatever they did, I don't think it was handmade to do these cowrie shells. But there are genuine cowrie shells. They're just, I feel like they sprayed it with some type of machine and then put some gloss protected over it. So these are fly, y'all. These are one-of-a-kind pair. Y'all see that? Y'all can see how lightweight they are when they swing like that. Alright, so what I'm going to show y'all next. And this is a seed, y'all. Y'all see that seed? Y'all stay tuned for my nature series coming up soon. It's not a DIY. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show y'all a little bit. I'm going to nature and picking up different things. And then I'm going to show y'all a little bit as creating, and then I'll show y'all the end. So yeah, here go another beautiful pair. On knoirdesigns.com. And don't forget that if you go to Boabw, boabw.com, which stands for Beauty of a Black Woman, or Beauty of All Black Women, it's over 300 earring designs on that website. So go check that out. Here we go, another. So dope. This is another one-of-a-kind pair, and this is on knoirdesigns.com. And I so love doing what I do. Right. So Let me show y'all the next pair. Let me show y'all these. These are cute. And I'm going to tell y'all how these was created. Like, literally. These are so cute. Okay, so I had got out my work area, and I don't know if y'all know that I sit down create, and I always sat. Well, not in the beginning I sat down. I think probably like a year in, after a year, probably the second year. No, I think I always sat down. Yeah, I always sat down. And then I remember just sitting down and just never want to sit at a desk again. Besides if I'm doing classes or something like that. But I just feel comfortable sitting down low creating. Even though I'm upstairs. But even if I'm downstairs, I feel just so peaceful creating, sitting down. Kind of, you know, remind me of my ancestors. Even painting, even though I use a mellow stick, I know they probably had to use some type of stick. You know, so it just made me so connected to my ancestors. So back to these earrings. When I was getting up, when I was standing up, it was a wood, a circle. I heard it crack, so I picked it up. And usually I just throw something like that away, if a piece of wood, a crack or something like that. So I picked it up, and I said, you know what? I looked at it, and it was kind of like even. You know, it was even. So I kind of like got the scissors and then kind of, I think I just got the scissors and cut it down a little bit. I could have sanded it down, and it just came out perfectly. And these was created from that. So these went through like an evolution. So that's how these was created. It was a circle, and it split, and that's how these was created. And these are one of a kind pair. Okay, here go another pair. That's a one of a kind pair. Over this year, y'all will see different designs like this, but each should be a one of a kind pair, because the way I do this, I know I'm a creator and I can make something, duplicate something, but sometimes, that's why I always say beads may vary. Sometimes it'll be a little slightly different. So I just kind of make all of them a one of a kind pair, because they're going to be different. That's why I have on my website size. It may varies in shape, size, and designs. You know. So this is another pair. It's like when I look at these, I just feel happy. You know. I just feel happy when I look at something that's beautiful. Make me feel happy. Okay. And then here go another pair. These are beautiful, right? And these, they're not like a real big, but they're not real small. They're like probably like a 2-inch. Yeah, so pretty. It's a one of a kind pair. And these right here is so beautiful. So beautiful. Get a lot of hearts, a lot of love. We need a lot of love in this world. Beautiful. And they hang like that. And here go another one of a kind pair. Got some little elephants. Y'all see the little elephants dangling? And they will hang like this on me. Like I always say, I don't have like a long neck. I don't have a short neck. It's kind of like in between. So, but I wear all sizes of earrings. Matter of fact, these were some of the card shells that I got from BB Crafts. And I made these for me. Very lightweight. Let me let y'all see closer. Do I got the back on? Make sure y'all wear y'all backs now. Let me see. So y'all can see the beaded work. Alright, y'all seen that? Okay. Make sure I put my backpack on. Like I'm going somewhere. But I be in the house with earrings on, y'all. Like literally. I don't know if y'all know this fact, like in Kemet or Egypt, if you had 2 holes in your ear back then, you was considered royalty. There's a little fact. I might have mentioned that before. All right. So here goes another beaded pair. One of a kind. Y'all can see the beaded work. Some little unks. Beautiful, right? I must have left one of these over there, because I don't see the other one to that one. I had to. So I'm going to show y'all this one. If you go on the website, you will see the pairs, because I was taking pictures earlier, and I think I left it over there on the in the little photo shoot. So this is the one, and the other one is similar, but they already listed on knoirdesigns.com. And they kind of like, they lightweight, but they got a little, they not as light, because you know this a little heavy, but they lightweight. Yeah, they lightweight, because they not, you know. So that's that one, but it's two to this, and it's mainly the same. It's over in the photo shoot area. So that is, but you know what? I can show y'all some pieces that I'm working on. So this is called Absolutely Dope. And these will be on boabw.com. And this is a pair that say I love Africa. And this will be on boabw.com. And what else I can show y'all? On knoirdesigns.com. So we got the Afro lady. Y'all see her? How fly she is. Her eyes kind of remind me of Michael Jackson eyes. When I was, after I drew them, I'm like, her eyes are like Michael Jackson eyes when he was a little boy. Singing, been the two of us are far apart. So y'all see her lips? Bam! This is her lipstick. Black Power Kisses. Alright, so these will be on knoirdesigns.com. Oh, I do have another one that I'm working on, but I'll be finished that. It'll be on this week. Y'all will see this one. And it's called Revolutionary Kisses. And then this is the lipstick. See how fly that is? Yeah, I'm getting really creative more. I have like a long list, just sayings and quotes and designs of what I want to do. Oh, here go that other one, y'all. I'm sorry. It wasn't in his, it wasn't over there on it taking this photo shoot. So there go the other. I found it. Oh, I could show y'all. I'm doing some refurbished ones, but I'll show y'all in that video, but I just show y'all these pairs. These have been refurbished. This sister from Canada had them for a while, but it's a video coming up, and I'm gonna show y'all these again. But I could just show y'all these four since they're mainly done. The other one's still on the board. I think I'm doing like 12 pairs. She done ordered for me over the years. So these some refurbished pieces that I did for her. So I do refurbish pieces. There's a link on my website, and it's $5 a pair. I don't refurbish if you lose one. So y'all will see the video. If you lose one and you want me to redo it, sometimes it'd be hard for me to match everything up, because sometimes I might make the wood more smaller, the colors, and so it's best to just buy a whole new set. But so I got a video, and I'm gonna show y'all those all her pairs all together that I refurbish. Oh, I forgot to show y'all these. I almost forgot to show y'all these. Okay, so these are these, and this right here is popcorn, you know, for her texture. And this, and when I was doing her, I was like, love myself. So I was like, love me. So yeah, and this pair is like that. So if you go to knoirdesigns.com, this is just for the YouTube people, because I had ran the sale on the Facebook and the Instagram. Between today and tomorrow, you will get a free pair of these earrings. No matter what you order. If you order stencil, if you order, no matter what you order, you will get her for free. The beads might be slightly different, but the design will be the same. You will get 15% off. So it will just be for Monday and Tuesday. After that, it will be over. All right? So y'all will get these right here for free as a gift. And the 15% off. All right, y'all. I will see y'all. Another video will be coming soon. So get ready because February is a really busy month for me. Y'all gonna see a lot of videos coming back to back to back to back. Black Business Spotlights, Unity Moments, and a whole bunch of other things. Thank you all for your support. If you could donate to this channel, you could donate as low as $1. Any little bit helps. Also, don't forget to not litter. Pick up litter. Adopt a cat or dog or any pets at your local rescue or animal shelter. And also, remember to respect people and treat people right, okay, y'all? All right. Salam, salam.